Hello, my name is Kathy Harris, and today I'm going to be talking about the interview process. What are the techniques, strategies, and liability? As employers, we want to make sure that we select the correct individual for the job. But there are some questions that we should not be asking during an interview. The reason for this is that some of the questions can be very personal, and they can also result in legal issues and liability. Another reason is that most of the questions have already been covered and asked during the application process. Questions such as nationality, race, religion, age, health, gender, and geographic location. We already have that information, so there is no need for us to ask those questions again. However, there's some information that as an employer I would like to know more about the person I'm hiring. Some of these questions will include: how will you resolve conflict with coworkers? Number 2, what is your discipline plan for the classroom? Number 3, what is your philosophy regarding parent involvement? Number 4, are you familiar with your content area specific curriculum? Number 5, what is the reason you think you will be the best candidate for this position? So let's look at each of the questions in more detail. The first question: how will you resolve conflict with coworkers? This is important for me as an employer to know because we are very different. We might not always agree on everything, but we still have to work with each other. We still have to collaborate, we still have to communicate, and we still have to do the best for the children, right? The main goal is student achievement. So this is important for me. How can they resolve conflict? And also, I don't want an employee that is constantly coming to me for things that they can resolve on their own, right? I need to know these things as an employer. The next thing is discipline in the classroom. What is your classroom discipline plan? I need to know if this teacher is able to resolve small issues within the classroom, or will this be a teacher that will be sending office referral for minor infractions? This is important for me as an employer to know. The next one is parent involvement. What is your philosophy regarding parent involvement? Believe it or not every teacher loves parents to be involved. However, we know that it is important. It promotes student achievement, and it's important for the parents to know what's going on in the classroom and how can they help the kids better. So I need to know, what does the teacher believe about parent involvement? What works for her? What doesn't work for her? Etc. So this is an important question for me. Another question is the teacher familiar with the specific content area curriculum? This is important to know because the teacher might not be familiar with, for example, ELAR, Fountains, and Pinel. Maybe she had never used this curriculum before. So this might be a good candidate, a good teacher, but she will need training. So these are things I need to know as an employer and to better help the teacher if I am considering hiring this person. The last thing I would like to know is, I want the person to tell me in their own words, why do they believe they are the best person for the job? What makes them the best person for the job among the others? I think this is important because it can help the candidate do like a small self-check, self-reflection. So these are things I would like to know. Well, I want to thank everyone for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.